THIRIKARI nitete MUKANA KIRIAKARI baria bakaraga GAITI ka damu ya KIAMBERE bakiurua kuthamira guntu kungi gwa kagita kana ndi mbura ya El Nino itite na mbere gukirikana kuombeka ruje rwa damu iji cia KIAMBERE rukethirwa rukiunikara. Rita Mwaniki gatutaririe nkuruke.
Thirikari nene ni iratara andu aria maturite mwena wa itherero wa ndemu ya KIAMBERE gukorwa makithamira miena iria iri iguru niguo matikethirwe ni mwicoro wa mai wona ndemu ino cia the Seven Forks ciecura. Ino ni kuringana na Minister wa Energy niwe Davis Chirchir uria uracerete mwena uyu kuona kuria mai makinyite ndemure ino na baria arauga gwa kavinda gaka itire irecura nuate itigaritie vanini tu. Ni urongerera kuga mbura yathi na mbere kura uguo ikoretwe ikiura mithenya minini mivituku ndemu ino cionthe ni gukorwa ire mbecuru vari kiumia kimwe uguo.
I would like to urge Kenyans, especially like has been mentioned by Kenyan CEO, living down lowlands like Garissa, that as we work together, we will work on mitigation measures to ensure that it does not impact on the lives of our people. Currently, the challenge we are seeing in Garissa are the rivers from the Meru area, Nyambene. This is some of the Tharaka-Nithi, the Mount Kenya, and of course from this area.
Chirchir ni urongerera kuga mivango mirumu ya gutethia aria makethirwa ni mwicoro uyu ungigekika ni ikiritwe na ugu andu matigakorwe na wagagu.
We are closely monitoring the impact of these heavy rains and are prepared to take all necessary action to ensure the safety of our people. We have activated our emergency response system and working closely with local authorities to monitor the situation, and we are now receiving daily inflows, outflows, how they are rising. They are now rising at about 0.7 of a meter every day, and that means a dam like Masinga here can take another 7 days to fill.
Guko mbunge wa tauni ya Garissa niwe Deko Baru akiuragia thirikari nene gukorwa ikithondeka ndemu nene mwena uyu wa Garissa ta uria kuri muvango ri niguo kwaniriria mai mama ma mwicoro na niguo matumike vindi ya riua ni arimi ya kaunti ino.
We are asking the ministry also to fast track this construction of the high ground dam downstream to save us from this problem. Garissa has actually had the biggest challenge. Every year when we have these rains, the town is flooded, farms are destroyed. So we must look for a solution so that we don't cry every now and then when there is rain and when there is a drought.
Nuati wanakuri uguo mwicoro uyu ni ukureta kiguni bururi-ri kuona ugatethia guciarithia thitima cia mbei ya nthi. Ino ni kuringana na PS wa Petroleum na Energy niwe Alex Wachira.
The increased water levels are good and are good for our power bills, because the more we are generating with the hydros, the cheaper our power bills will become. So there is also good news for Kenyans that let us not look at the flooding only.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.